Here we are again.
Heading into Ocala.
We like it so much we're gonna go, well, it's beautiful out tonight. We actually have a little bit of a cold front coming in, so we're gonna go hang out in the forest.
Celebrate a special day.
Why not? We just had a new grandbaby. Awesome.
Try to turn around down in there?
No. So here we are at the same spot in Ocala. It's just our quarters are a little wet compared to last time.
Amazing, right?
Right? Like last time our tent quarters was over there in the water.
Yeah.
Like right over there.
Yeah. And this is where we were sitting to watch the sunset.
Right there. We were sitting.
That's the tree I backed into.
Yep, right there. That's the tree.
Here you go.
That's awfully tight quartered.
Yeah. Let's go.
This might not be a good tent
Might
spot.
not be.
Oh. Let's recalculate here.
That is awfully close. You're right. That's the problem.
We're in a dilemma here.
We're in a huge dilemma.
We're in a very big dilemma. The last time we had the tent up, it was, well, the water is now where the tent was, so we can't put it there, obviously.
It's waist deep where the tent was.
Yeah, we would float. So, but we don't really want to set up that close to the water because then it'd be more buggy. But here we go. Dilemma.
All right, what if I knock out this little bit of stuff right here?
Yeah, because it's really just this.
And we could put it right here.
Ooh, that would work. Because that way we would have a little bit more of a walkway where we're not just walking right on the tent.
It might even fit like that. Put it down. You have to come this way a little bit. Get away from that bush. This ain't bad at all.
No, that'll work. We still have plenty of room to to walk around.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that'll work. Because we can still take our chairs down to the water.
Absolutely.
To sit, and there's plenty of room. We're close enough.
I like it. Because, you know, I'm going to be going hunting. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
I feel like something's been accomplished.
I do too.
What do you think?
You might want to, huh?
Well, it ruins the friggin' atmosphere.
It might just be cloudy. Let's just wait.
Plus it airs it out a little bit. It needs to air out right now. I'm not sure this is wide enough. happens to me all the time.
We have over here our hanging out quarters. Sit and enjoy and sleep. Want to dance? 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 Oh yeah. Dance, dance. Dance, dance. You're all wet.
Life is good.
It is. It looks like this might be an edited video. Okay.
Love you.
Let you have fun.
Stay. I will. Stay. You too. Stay.
Oh my god. I'm like shaking so bad. Literally just had a bear. It just ran. Oh my god, I'm shaking so. So, I'm gonna walk down here with Lily and see if I can see where this bear just ran past. See if I can see its footprints. It was very scary. Wow. I just don't even know. Could have been from right here. I don't know. Ew. I don't know what the heck you are.
What you think, baby?
Beautiful.
Yes, you are. Look at this setup. Fantastic.
Papa Bowls. Mmm.
Home sweet home. Hey, baby.